Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic about time and work. The time and work which depends the three parameters. One is time, speed and distance. The definition of speed is speed of a body is distance covered by it in unit time. The speed is equal to total of distance which covered in a particular unit time is called speed. The unit of the speed is meter per second. The total number of distance which in meter, the time is in seconds. So it is also known as velocity. The velocity is distance by time. Average speed or average velocity is the ratio between the total distance traveled to the total time taken. Here the total distance can be distance 1, distance 2, distance 3, something like the sum of the total distance traveled divided by the sum of the total time taken, like time 1, time 2, time 3, etc. So the average speed is the total distance traveled divided by total time taken for that process. The time and work concept which purely depends on the time, speed and distance parameter. From this time and work concept, A can do a work in n days means the 1 day work of A is 1 by n. For example, we have to consider A is a man who is taking to complete a work in n number of days. So one day work of that man is 1 by n. A have to complete a work in n days. So 1 day work is 1 by n time of the whole work. If A's 1 day work is 1 by n, A finish the work n days. When a human is going to work for a 1 day work is 1 by n means he have to complete the work within n days, n number of days. If A is thrice as good a workman B is, the rate of work done by A and B is A is 3 times better than B. So if a B is taking 3 days to complete a work means A can complete a work in 1 day. So the A is 3 times greater than B. So the ratio of work which done by A and B is 3 is to 1. Then the ratio of A and B to finish the work is 1 is to 3. So A is 3 times better than B and B is 1 time. So they both are working together and they have to complete the work within the ratio of 1 is to 3 times. Here the workman B is 3 times harder to work to finish A. Here the workman B is 3 times more hard work to complete the work within that period. So the ratio of A and B to finish the work is 1 is to 3. We can go with an example. The given sum is A takes 8 hours to do a job and B takes 10 hours to do a job. A and B working together to do the same job. How many time takes to complete a job? So A takes 8 hours and B takes 10 hours to complete the job. When A and B are working together, for 1 hour A takes 1 by 8 plus B takes 1 by 10. We have to find when A and B are working together. So we have to find LCM. 10 plus 8 divided by 80, 18 divided by 80, 9 by 40. When A and B are working together to complete the work is 40 by 9 hours. The next example is when A and B working together to complete a work in 4 days, A alone takes a time to complete a work is 12 days. So when B alone works, how many days to complete the work? Solution: A and B complete working together to complete the work in 4 days. A only takes the time. A alone working with 12 days. So when B is working alone, how many days to complete the work? Here, for 1 day, we have to find A alone working 12 days to complete the work. For 1 day, he is working for 1 day is 1 by 12. So A is 1 by 12 plus B we have to find is equal to 4 days. So 1 by 4 for 1 day. For B, we cannot know how many days B takes. So we have to write as x is equal to 1 by 4. We have to find the x value. X is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. We have to take LCM. 12, 3 times 3 minus 1. 2 by 12, 1 by 6. So the x value is 1 by 6. So the B is working for a day is 1 by 6 ratio. So B alone working 6 days takes to complete the work. A is working alone to complete the work is 12 days. Like that, when B is working alone to complete the work is 6 days. So far, we have seen the topic about time and work with example problems. The class is useful to you. Please kindly support for my channel. Thank you.